Guys, remember? So I showed them to how to cover with the facial opaque. This is the biomat. Well, I have to send it out the abutment, so they make the abutment for them, so we don't need the anodizing. And we made the cover. It's like that, so make the maximum translucency, just like what doctor grinding. Now here's another tip. If doctor is a hole, use the middle part is grayish. Is another tip. He can use the white cement. All right, if he doesn't want to see. But look at this. There's no hole, no gray. But here's a hole. That's why create the grayishness. It's tricky. It's very tricky. All right, so see? Yeah. Huh? We don't like it, and doctor have to put it in the white or B1. Try it inside. It's a little opaque. They can diminish a little bit more after they put the screw down all the way. And sometimes they put these different material, cotton ball or impression material, whatever. But I hope they can use the same color tones material, then they can get maximize the highest aesthetics. Right? That's the great interiors in a single crown custom restorations for them. Love it. Okay.